Guys, in this video, we are going to learn how to insert a watermark in the Microsoft Word. All right, guys. So, if you want to insert a watermark in Microsoft Word, just uh, just try to open Word. Just try to open it. Yeah. And now, guys, just go to design. You can see over here, just design. And now from here, just try to find watermark. You can see over here, just tap on it. And now, guys, see, just select anyone. So you can see. Here you go. This is the watermark. Check confidential. Also, guys, if you have that option to, if you want to go for the custom watermark, you can just go and create. Just hit on that custom if you want to just. Let's example, I my channel name. Yeah, here you go. So whatever you want, you can go for the custom watermark also. Yeah, as per your company, whatever the company logo also. So if you want to go for the company logo, just go custom watermark. Select the picture watermark and the select picture also here. So for me. I will take the picture from my device. If I go to the desktop, now from here, if I select this one, play. Yeah, yeah. So you can see this guy. See the watermark is showing the faded watermark. Yeah. And also, if you want to remove the watermark, just go for the remove watermark. So, guys, this way you can insert a watermark in Microsoft Word. You can create a custom watermark and apply it, and you can remove the watermark. So, guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.